We are on day 170 of 3D printing something every day to 1,000 subscribers, and today I printed two things. They're both airsoft related. Again, we need more requests, guys, so it's not always based on the same thing. So today I printed this, which basically goes on the gun. I printed the mag speed loader adapter for yesterday, and basically what it does is adds the compatibility of a sling to go around this. And then this is a thing to hold a torch controller. There's a picture on the screen right now of what that looks like. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit, so I will find another model to print. And yeah, comment what you want to see tomorrow for day 171. Bye!